prices on the London Metal Exchange and also earlier on the Shanghai Future Exchange are all up across the board this morning, showing dips and pauses, and they are obviously attracting further buying interests, with especially tin and nickel leading on the upside. If we look at the current prices of the 3-month contract on the LME, we can see copper is trading well above 8,000 at $8,067 a ton right now, which is a plus of 0.3%. We can see that aluminium is trading up at $2,001 a ton. That's a plus of 0.65%. Zinc is also going up 0.5%, trading at 2,740 slightly. Nickel is the biggest gainer today, with a plus of 1.4%, trading at $18,440 a ton, while tin is also up 1.3%, trading at $22,000 a ton, and lead at $2,050, which is a 0.5% plus. On the precious metal side, we can see gold is slightly up, trading at $1,873 an ounce this morning, while the rest of the precious metals are also up by an average of about 0.6%. After the presidential inauguration of Joe Biden, we can see that the US dollar index has turned a little bit lower and is continuing to drift even lower this morning. It's right now quoted at 90.3% after we saw a recent high of 90.96. So right now the euro against the dollar is definitely stronger, trading at 121.41. On the economic calendar, it's quite a busy calendar today. We had already some data coming out from the Bank of England regarding the credit condition survey. We will have the UK industrial orders expectations coming out. We will have the European Central Bank decision on the interest rates. They will also release a policy statement and hold a press conference later on. And there will be also data on the EU consumer confidence coming out. Later on this afternoon from the United States, we will have the initial jobless claims coming out. The Philly Fed manufacturing index will come out, as well as the building permits and the housing starts. So as we said earlier this week, it's quite interesting to see that the depth and also durability of any pullback in the base metal prices actually to gauge how strong the underlying sentiment really is. Now with nickel and tin this morning leading the upside, zinc and aluminium rebounding, and copper and lead climbing back to their highs, the sentiment definitely seems to be robust, with tailwinds actually strengthened, while the markets wait definitely for more details, especially regarding the US fiscal policy. We were to see if actually the copper prices will break higher, way above 8,000, which would actually provide some more confirmation that those bull trends are really underlying, or if the trend is definitely intact. On the gold prices, we see rallying again this morning, and they are in sight of the upper boundary of their down channel, which is at $1,882 an ounce.